My name is Japheth Kwame. I've been a study chief for this is my 17th year. Juja Preparatory has been my first experience under institution. We have been using the old system using the source of firewood, which is wood, and we come to change our whole kitchen to the modern smart kitchen. The reason why we go for a steam operating machine because we wanted to improve the food quality. When we go to steam boiling process of cooking, we see that the product and the quality of the food that we are producing by that time was not meeting our standard, where the food was smelling smoke, get burned at the point, the hygiene was very active to control. Now we are in smart kitchen, as you can see. Now it takes 10 minutes to prepare tea, 10 maximum minutes for hot water to get ready, and this one to cook porridge takes 15 minutes. On the other side, we're using the grill hot plate, using for the chapatis, Moroccan kebabs, and meatballs. We are very grateful for the Japheth Africa for selling us the idea. It's efficient, it's working, and we advise anyone that might come for the idea, just come without fear and trust the process. Just okay as long as Japheth Africa is behind the productivity. Thank you.